Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. For today's video we are going to unbox the lovelula beauty box for the month of May. So if you are interested to see that, then just keep watching. So this is how the package arrived to me today. I just ripped my address from here to not be visible. But yeah, this is how it arrived. I just opened it and sterilized the product inside, and also I've sterilized the box outside. Lovelula, it's a UK beauty subscription that features natural, clean beauty. The monthly Lovelula box is a great chance to try out the different natural brands and products that are available from Lovelula in a cost-effective manner. There are two different categories of prices for UK and for the international. And for UK you can try one box for £19.95 per month, but if you want to subscribe monthly you will pay £14.95. You can do a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription and the cost it reduces per box per month. But if you subscribe for 3 months you will have to pay everything in advance. So if you subscribe for 3 months for UK you will pay £42.60. Now for international, to try one box you will pay £25.95, and all the prices include shipping, including for international. The only difference between UK and international is that for international you are not able to do a monthly recurring subscription, so you only can try one box, or you can get a 3, 6 or 12 month subscription. So I have bought a 3-month subscription and I paid £52.50, and this is my second box, so the next box will be on June, and after that I will decide if I will continue to keep my subscriptions. I will just give it a break. So usually this box is mostly oriented on skincare, but from time to time you can also get some makeup products. So because I already opened it, I know what is it inside. The products are mostly delivered in full size. However, last month we also been given a test product, so from time to time they are also sneaking some test or travel size products, but usually they will offer you a full size product. So this is the sneak peek of what is inside. And when I'm opening my box, I can see that I'm getting a 20% off the brands on this box, valid until June 2020, 10 June 2020. So I will list the code on the description box below. And by the way, all the products that are on this box, you can purchase them, of course, from the website lovelula.com. Okay, first product that arrived, it is this Yumi hibiscus and turmeric shampoo, which I'm really excited about because I've seen on previous months they were giving shampoos, and I want to bring on my hair care only natural shampoos and conditioners and so on. So I'm really excited about that. And if I'm not wrong, on previous month we've also been given another product from Yumi. I think it was some body wash. I haven't used it yet, to be honest, because I have a lot of body washes. But we are not being given the prices for the products, but I will search and I will put here on the screen the corresponding price for the product. So this is Yumi hibiscus and turmeric shampoo. Pump up the volume. Fine and dull hair will gain a new lease of life with the powerful blend of ingredients in the Yumi hibiscus and turmeric shampoo, using the brightening properties of turmeric and the regenerative properties of papaya. So this is our first product. And by the way, I have seen here that on the downside it's written that the total value of your May beauty box is £50. So I'm only paying for my box £17.50 or so. It's more than double than my value. And I'm getting only natural product that I'm really excited about. And this product came up open. The cap was switched on and some product was leaking outside. I managed to clean it, but I just want to remind if someone from Lovelula is watching to put some protection here, because you might lose some of the product. So I'm not sure. Yeah, I definitely sense some fragrance to it, but it's not that powerful. But it's really pleasant, so I'm looking forward to try this. The next product is by Madara Organic Skincare, and we've also got Madara on the April Lovelula beauty box, but this time we are being giving a Vert hand and body soap bar. This is how it looks like, and it's really heavy. Oh, the smell is gorgeous. I love the scent so much. However, I'm not so keen on using soap bars. I'm mostly a shower gel type of a girl, but I know someone on my life that will benefit from this product, my mother-in-law. So when she will visit our house, hopefully this year, I will be giving to her. But let's read about it. Madara Soap Bar promotes a beauty that is far deeper than skin. Totally natural in origin, safe and certified, their products take care of both your health and your conscience. Care for hands, face and body with one of Madara's beloved bars. Okay, so you can also use this for the face. So maybe I will keep it. So this contains thyme and lemon balm. And this is the outer packaging. Next product is a makeup product, and I'm really excited about this because this is my first makeup item that I'm getting since I'm subscribed to this Lovelula beauty box. So this is by Inika Organics, and this is their certified organic lipstick crayon in the shade Deep Plum, and you also can see the shade here on the outer packaging. Wow, so it's really pretty. I thought it's slimmer, but it's actually a crayon. One thing I noticed, the cap, it's a bit cracked. I'm not sure if it's visible on camera. Okay, the shade is a bit darker for me, delivering a creamy texture and satin finish. The certified organic lipstick crayon provides a beautiful pop of color on the lips, along with nourishment and lasting power. So everybody is going to get this deep plum shade. There are no other variation for this. And finally, the last product for today's box. It's also a product that I'm really excited about, and this is by Skin Alchemist Apothecary Humble Warrior Cleansing Oil. The Humble Warrior Complete Cleansing Oil brings an armory of cleaning and healing oils to form the optimal first step to any daily cleansing regime. Removes makeup and deeply cleanses. Can also be used as a face mask, hair treatment, and nail and cuticle oil. That's fantastic! Doesn't have too much of a scent. Maybe I will pour a bit. Oh. So this is how it looks like. It's quite runny. It's really nourishing. It's interesting that I feel some tobacco scent to it. But oh my god, my hand is definitely nourished. So if they are saying that it's meant for your hair also, I will wipe the excess on my hair. This was the fourth and the last product. What we've got on the Lovelula beauty box for the month of May. We've got a Yumi Hibiscus and Turmeric Shampoo, a Inika Certified Organic Lipstick Crayon, Madara Vert Hand and Body Soap, and a Skin Alchemist The Humble Warrior Cleansing Oil. Please let me know in your comments down below what do you think about this product and what do you think about the box in general. Do you think it worth to be subscribed to this box? There are not so many natural, clean beauty subscriptions, so this is the reason that I subscribe to it, because I want to bring more natural cosmetics and makeup into my life. And if you are interested about the look that I am wearing today, this is a collab video that I have done with my friend Wendy from My Life Wendy's channel. So if you haven't seen that video, I will link it here up on the card and go check this video. And other than that, thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you'll subscribe before you leave. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and other than that, I'm looking forward to see you again on my next video. Take care and stay safe. Bye bye!